It's Kitchen and Events.
And I'm Michelle.
Today we're gonna make a veggie chunk stew. And first we're gonna put the coconut milk come to a boil. Then we had a tablespoon of butter. Oh, this butter, Michelle. Okay, 1 tablespoon of butter. Then we're gonna add our seasoning. It's very delicious. Okay, so we bring that to a boil like for about 2 minutes. Then we're gonna put our veggie chunks. Ketchup. So for people who don't like to eat meat or vegetarian, this is a very delicious dish for you. It's very easy to make and it doesn't cost a lot. Then we're gonna add our peas. Little pepper, a little all-purpose seasoning, okay. So we let that sit for about another 3 minutes and then it's ready to serve. Okay, and as I said, you can have it with rice or whatever you choose to have it, or you could just have it alone. Okay, alright, so oh, it smells good too. Alright. So, I'm gonna have a taste. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow, very, very tasty. And as I said, you can make it for the family. You can have it with rice or whatever you choose to have it with, okay? Remember, live, love, laugh, and enjoy healthy meals.